How to sync audio and video in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Capcut application on your device and you can see the option of new project over here. So just tap on new project, then tap on any videos or photos that you want to add. So I'm just gonna add some photos over here. I'm gonna use these photos. You can add as many number of photos or videos that you want. So here are the videos. Now to add the audio, what you have to do is just tap on the audio section at the bottom of the screen. Then you can tap on sounds. After tapping on sounds, you can choose your own songs from your own gallery or from your own device, or you can just use the recommended songs that has been provided by the application. So here I'm going to just choose this one for random purpose. Now after selecting on the audio, what you have to do is just swipe it and you can see the option of beats over here. Now tap on beats and you can see the option of auto generate over here. Make sure that you toggle it on, then tap on OK. Now after that, what you can see is the yellow dots over here just below the audio. Now these are the beats and the symbol to make sure that here the beats are present and changes. So what you can do is you can just make this split at every yellow line or yellow dots so that it becomes easier for you to change. Now for that purpose, what I'm going to do is at every yellow dot I'm going to tap on edit, then tap on split and delete the remaining part beside or after the yellow dot. So I'm done with this. I'm going to go with this again and tap on delete, tap on edit, split. I'm going to repeat this process for a while. Now to watch the whole video, you can see. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.